If you've ever wanted to create those clean, cinematic 3D animations that look like they came straight out of a professional studio without paying for expensive software or fighting through complicated setups, then this tutorial is exactly what you've been looking for, because I'm about to show you a complete, repeatable system that anyone can use to build high-quality 3D animated scenes entirely for free. What you'll learn. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a streamlined workflow that takes you from concept to consistent 3D characters to full animation. We'll build highly detailed 3D scenes using Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini, and then transform those still images into smooth cinematic motion using Grok, all with precise prompts you can copy and reuse for any project. Step 1. Generate the 3D blueprint with ChatGPT. Step 1 is about establishing the visual foundation for your entire animation. Before we create anything, we need a consistent artistic style, character continuity, and clear descriptions of each scene. That's where the master prompt comes in. This prompt is engineered specifically for generating reliable 3D character identities and coherent scene prompts. Paste the master prompt into ChatGPT, hit generate, and you'll instantly receive a full package of information. 1. In-depth 3D character profiles. 2. Scene-by-scene image prompts. 3. Matching image to video prompts for animation. These 3 pieces will serve as your blueprint, ensuring that every character and scene stays visually consistent from start to finish. Step 2 is to create consistent visuals in Nano Banana Pro inside Gemini. Open Gemini, switch to the Thinking 3 Pro model, and click Create Image. This activates Nano Banana Pro's rendering system. Now take the first character description from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini, and generate. Within seconds, you get a highly detailed 3D character shot, crisp writing, defined textures, and the style locked in. Repeat the process for the second character or any additional characters. Then move on to the scene prompts. Copy the first scene prompt into Gemini. Generate the image, and watch as Nano Banana Pro reproduces the exact same characters, proportions, and art direction. Do this for each scene prompt. In less than 5 minutes, you have a full set of consistent, studio-quality 3D images ready to animate. Now it's time for real movement. Open Grok and go to the Imagine feature. ChatGPT already prepared the image-to-video prompts, so all you need to do is upload Scene 1's image, copy the Scene 1 animation prompt, paste it into Grok, and generate. Within seconds, you get a smoothly animated clip with clean motion, realistic depth, and no watermark, perfectly matching the style of the original 3D image. Repeat the same process for Scene 2, Scene 3, and every other scene. Each clip will maintain the same characters, the same lighting style, and the same cinematic feel, giving you a sequence that looks like it all came from one professional pipeline. Download each clip once it finishes rendering.